event. All the clients were very happy. Hundreds of Ferrari here meet in Malaysia, in KL. The first time in KL, but I think we were positive surprise about the involvement of the clients especially, but also the fans. Really, it was a fantastic weekend.
We are very happy to be here in Sepang for the first Ferrari Racing Days 2014. This venue is very important because it's the first with the new organization, the internal organization, Direzione Attività Sportive, which gathers the Corse Clienti activity and F1 Sporting Division. In this venue we have another very important item, is the first race with the aerodynamic kit of 458 Challenge. And this news is very important for our drivers about the challenge.